Hi, my name is Jay, and this is my journal of a challenge to myself and possibly you. I have been reflecting on what is truly important in life and purpose. Have you ever wondered how significant will the footprint be that you leave behind? Will your existence make a difference to someone outside of your family? Well, I have decided to find out just that. How much can the actions of an ordinary person like me make a difference? So where do I begin? There are so many unfulfilled needs that I come across on a regular basis. There are often times when I think we all shake our heads and say something needs to be done about that situation. But more than often, we never see ourselves as the person to bring about the necessary changes. How many times do we take it upon ourselves to be the individual to respond to the need or the cause? Sure, we may donate resources such as money or a few minutes here or there, but have you ever thought to take it a step further? The common reaction is to wait for someone else to come to the rescue, but that someone else could be you or me.